Asian elephant, the wise wanderer of the East. The Asian elephant is one of the most intelligent and gentle animals on earth. Found across India and Southeast Asia, these majestic giants have lived beside humans for thousands of years, symbols of wisdom, strength, and peace. Smaller than their African cousins, Asian elephants stand up to 10 feet tall and weigh around 5 tons. They have smaller rounded ears and smoother skin, perfectly adapted for the dense forest and humid jungles they call home. Their most remarkable feature is their trunk, an incredible tool with over 40,000 muscles. It can lift heavy logs, pick up a single grain of rice, or gently touch another elephant in affection. Males often grow long ivory tusks, while females usually have short or no tusks at all. Asian elephants are deeply social. They live in close-knit herds led by a matriarch who remembers old paths, waterholes, and dangers. They communicate with trumpets, rumbles, and even low-frequency sounds that travel through the ground. What makes them truly special is their emotional depth. They show joy, grief, and empathy, mourning their dead and comforting one another in distress. But these gentle giants are endangered. Habitat loss and poaching have reduced their numbers dramatically. Yet, in sanctuaries and national parks, conservationists are working tirelessly to protect them. The Asian elephant is more than an animal, it's a living link to our shared past, a wise wanderer whose presence reminds us of harmony between nature and humanity.